If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Welcome back to Pen Mail. Today, in this box here, it's going to be something that, a new design that I've come up with the help of Mo Stitches, is the company that I'm using to come up with some new shirts, some new ideas that y'all may be interested in. Now, I don't know yet on the price for sure, but I'm going to show you what they look like. You can leave your comments below, but these will be on sale if you're interested, and I'll let everybody know how much they'll cost, because right now I don't know really yet on the price of them, but the ones in these boxes are already gone. So here we go. Time to get with business and get on to good foot. Okay? Well, pretty soon, my good friends, it is time for Thanksgiving. It's something that we should be thankful for. And remember those unfortunates that aren't going to be as fortunate as we are. So, any plans for any new pens for Black Friday? Any plans for Thanksgiving? And here we go. This is the first time I'm going to see it. I've seen it, pictures sent to me, but this is the first time I actually see it in my hand. So here we go, folks. Wow, look at this. My God. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, great wizard.
Stunning the work, isn't it? Look at the work on that. Wow. Very impressive. And I got two blue ones. Alright, so two of these are already gone, and this one's mine, and I have one more coming in. But it also can be gray if you want. On the color of shirts, I have to check the availability, because this picture, the color of it, will only look well on certain colors. That's what I was told. So this gives you kind of an idea what it looks like. It's a wizard with a fountain pen, and it has Larry's fountain pens on top. So that is really, really awesome. What do you think, really, Mr. Announcer, of it?
Oh, I like it. I don't know what the lettering looks like yet.
Well, you want me to open it up? Here we go. Let's open it up and show you the whole enchilada.
Ah, okay.
What do you think of that?
Very good.
They did a great job, didn't they? This was really, compared to where we get the shirts done, how they screen them.
Mm-hmm.
This is way beyond that, wouldn't you say?
Oh, I think so.
Look at the work done on this shirt. This is really impressive. Wow. See how they feel? Feel
That's a nice one, yeah.
Yeah, and even the material of the shirt feels great. It's awesome. So, Mo, from Mo's Caps and Shirts, you knocked this one right out of the park. I love the design you come up with, Mo. The colors, the idea, the pen in the wizard's hand, it's all looks great. And the shirts feel really nice quality shirts. Of course, your workmanship extremely well, the best I've seen. So This is something I hope that the viewers will like. And if you're interested, again, you can send me comments to my Gmail account, which is
LarryB0711 @gmail.com.
And I'll let the people know on the pre-orders, because what's going to happen is I'll have to buy them from the company, and so you would pay me through PayPal, and I would ship them to you. But I don't know how much the prices or anything yet until I get with the owner. He just sent me this, and that's all I know for now. But I think they're actually awesome shirts. Really, really beautiful shirts. And I will ask about colors, and because I think he was telling me this picture, the color of it would only work well with certain color shirts. Now I could be wrong, but we'll see. So one of the shirts will go to a good friend of mine, Troy LaPlante. Troy, here's your shirt. And then the other shirt will go to another friend of mine, Dr. Joe. So, Doc Joe, thanks. Incredible man. I don't know if you kept up with Doc Joe, but you need to check him out sometime. The man is incredible. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. And I hope you enjoyed this, because, I really did enjoy it, and I really like the way these t-shirts look and the way they feel. This is the first, I would call it, a top quality shirt. So now I got to see the price on them, and then I'll let you all know. So I hope you found it interesting. I hope you say, hey, you know what, I'm going to try one of these shirts. But like I said, if you're interested, leave your comments below, and then I'll let you know. We can go from there. All right, hey, take care, peace, and lots of love. Be kind to a stranger. And as always, please don't text and try. Bye-bye.